In this video we're giving an honest review of Luno, a cryptocurrency exchange and wallet app aimed at beginners who want to buy, hold, and trade crypto like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Luno's interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to deposit fiat, make purchases and track your portfolio, which is ideal for newcomers. The platform also supports two-factor authentication and stores most crypto in cold wallets, which adds a layer of security. However, there are some important considerations. Trading and withdrawal fees can be higher than other exchanges, and users have reported account limitations, delays, or even sudden account closures. Customer support is often slow, and some users have experienced verification issues that temporarily freeze funds. While Luno can be convenient for small trades and learning the basics of crypto, it may not be ideal for larger investments or advanced trading due to its fees and occasional account restrictions. Overall, it's a decent entry-level platform if used cautiously and in moderation. For more honest crypto and tech reviews, make sure to subscribe and stay updated with future insights.